Installing the ShowerBoss Standard unit requires drilling a hole in the wall so that you can feed the low voltage power supply to the circuit board, and also so you can feed the low voltage wires to the valve. Installing the standard unit requires the valve be installed inside the wall on the plumbing pipe that feeds your shower head. Installing your standard unit requires feeding the power supply wire through the hole in the wall that you did in step 1 and plugged into an outlet either above the shower or somewhere behind the shower. Snake 2 low voltage leads through the hole in the wall and attach them to the 2 connection points on the valve. Once the power supply and the low voltage wires are through the wall, take your cover box, attach it securely with the 3 screws provided or some GE silicone seal or any good white bathroom sealer, and then place the cover plugs over the screws.